All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to use GenyMotion with Android Studio and how to get that to work. I find GenyMotion pretty snappy in terms of creating a new device, having access to Play Store, etc. And I just find it generally a better experience. So we're going to set that up right now. First, you're going to go into your Android Studio and you're going to look up some plugins. Maybe it's preferences, plugins. There we go, plugins. And then now we're going to look up GenyMotion. We're going to install this one. Now that it's installed, now we can connect this emulator to GenyMotion. So let's go start the virtual device. Should be pretty fast. Okay, so we're just gonna go to ADBR, so ADB devices. Oh, maybe there is a device, we'll see. So let's see if that device is available. Look at that, GenyMotion mobile. So let's go build this dummy app. Yeah, let's wait for this to build. And just to clarify, this is just a single activity with a couple fragments on it. I just took this code from the Compose code lab because I was just playing around with the library there. So that's what that is about. This device should appear now. I'm building it. There we go. So it's in there now. You can click next, you can previous. So basically I've just installed a plugin and then I've made sure this device appeared. And now it shows up. So that's what I wanted to show y'all. That's it. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And you can support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.